multiply with me. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Hit the like button and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post new videos. Table 2. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 7 equals 14. 2 times 8 equals 16. 2 times 9 equals 18. 2 times 10 equals 20. Thank you, and may God bless you.